model, Ford Transit 2.5 camper motorhome MOT failure Ulez compliant excellent runner. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 40,943. MOT, the 29th of October 2024. Engine, 2,496 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This is an MOT failure mainly on welding. It is also Ulez compliant as it has been fitted with an aftermarket exhaust system with certificate, GRIN. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, fully fitted camper. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.